and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing like a bunch of stuff, not a bunch of fun stuff, but just things that I have to do. I'm currently doing laundry. Yeah, so there's like clothes everywhere that I have to organize and clean and wash and everything, and I am wearing workout clothes because I'm gonna work out as well. But I'm currently, as you can see, like the back of my closet is kind of empty because I started putting things away because I am leaving to Florida on Saturday. We were supposed to leave next weekend, but we moved it to this weekend, so we are leaving Saturday and organizing all the clothes that I am going to take with me. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go through all my drawers. Well, I already put stuff in some drawers, and I'm already gonna like bring my luggage in here and just have it out already so I can just begin to organize everything and see what I'm going to take. So here is my luggage, and there is Coco. Hi, Coquita. So my room is actually an actual mess, but I'm going to start packing things. So this is how we got so far. I literally sat down and said, yes, am I gonna wear this? No, I'm not gonna wear this. Just sitting going yes or no. So I packed all my clothes already. I just need to pack some pajamas. And then all I need is just like my little accessories and just pack my makeup. I'm just going to take, I know it's very humid there, so I'm just going to take the actual necessities that I'm gonna need. I'm not gonna take a lot of palettes. I'm probably gonna take just like one palette and just the simple stuff. I'm not gonna do like full glam because for what if it's gonna melt off. So I'm literally just taking this. I got these little Baderma. This is the ones that I love. I got a little mini one because we are staying a night at a hotel. I don't know why it's not going, but I always get the little mini one. I love using this one, so I just got the mini one just for on the go, and then you know I would just keep the bottle like when I travel or whatever. I can just refill it with the big one. I have like the big one in my restroom in my bedroom in the master, but I'm gonna just take this, and I'm getting my camera stuff ready. I'm gonna take just one light, and hopefully I've seen that there's like big windows, so it'll be easy to film some videos. And yeah, so this is what we're doing right now. I'm currently also washing, so I got a load going. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Coco's over there. There's some clothes that I have to fold that I'm actually not going to take, so that is what we're doing. So I'm actually in my restroom right now, watching a show like always, but I'm going to cut Coco's hair. She's actually on the bed right now, and I'm gonna bring her in here and cut her hair because she needs a little trim. So I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'm gonna work out. I haven't worked out, and then I'm going to order food because I'm trying not to buy any groceries since I am leaving on Friday, and I just don't want to have like a bunch of food just go bad. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna bring her over here. I just did like this little setup right here. I took all the stuff and moved it over there, and I'm gonna cut her hair. Here is the aftermath of cutting Coco's hair. I dried her over here, but I am going to go and sacudir esto like in the bin. So I need to probably take these with me because I can cut her hair when I'm out there. So I'm gonna have to put that aside and clean these as well. So that is the aftermath of Coco's little haircut. Continuing to do some laundry. So hi guys, so today is the next day. I just got home. I went to go run an errand, and it's 11:05. I already had breakfast, but this is the next day. Today is April 6th. I am currently going to cut a papaya so I can put it in the refrigerator so it can stay cool. I love my fruit to stay cold. I just picked this one up, and I think it should be ready to cut up. My apple cider vinegar, but this for sure doesn't taste good. Like, this is disgusting. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna wait like an hour, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna do a workout and then just put away some clothes. So yeah. my day. I'm actually going to work out, so let's get this workout on. Hi everyone, so it's actually the next day. I have to run some errands because I am leaving on Saturday and have to go to the bank and I have to do some stuff before I leave. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And yeah, so I'm just wearing like super comfortable clothes, just some leggings and just an oversized jacket. I think the weather's actually nice. It's 57, almost 60 degrees, which is amazing for Toronto. So I'm gonna head to oh yeah, so yes, last night I did do the laser. I put it on the highest temperature and it does sting, but I just did it because I have to do it because I have so hairy, so hairy. So this is actually, and I can tell that like you can smell the burnt. Like I used to do laser at like a med spa, but then COVID hit, so I couldn't be able to go anymore. So I did it myself, and it smells like exactly the same as when I would go there. Like it just smells like burnt hair because it's just like buzzing all the little hair. So we're going to head over now to the bank, and then I have to go to Shoppers to get Market cleanser, and then we're gonna come back home. I love this song. I can't play it because of obvious reasons that we can't put any music, but it's a Karol G. Right. Now I had to come to a different bank because the bank I normally go to was closed. So now I'm going to go to Shoppers. I grabbed ice packs because I need them for the trip, and as well I got this like mini Lysol. Thought this was so convenient, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go to Shoppers. So I have to get I have to get him another face wash because I bought him this face wash, but I'm not sure if they sell it in the States. It's called like Roach something. I can't remember exactly the name of it, but oh, it's so nice out today. I think it's called Roach something. So I have to go get him another one because he said he's almost finished with it. And I just want to play it safe because it's been working very well on his skin. And I'm going to get it for him, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. People here just stop out of nowhere, like they just put, and the crazy thing here, like in the States or anywhere in California, I don't know if it's just California or the States, but when you stop out of nowhere, like sudden stop, ooh, hold on, like I was saying, when you stop in the States, you put your blinkers light, right, like the 2 emergency lights on. Here they don't. Here what they do is they put their signal lights, like they put, like, you know, the signal light to go left or right, they put that. I'm like, are you gonna turn or are you gonna stop? Because for that's what emergency lights are for. So when you're gonna make like a stop somewhere where you're not supposed to stop, you put your emergency lights on. But people here don't, and I find it so weird. I don't know. I was like, what are they doing? Like, are you turning right or are you turning left? Why are you stopping? But I don't know. Canadians do it very different. But it's actually really hot right now. I feel like taking this jacket off. It is, let's see, it is 57 degrees outside, which is nice for Toronto. But I'm going to the Shoppers. I love the Shoppers because they literally have everything, so I'm super excited about it. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go now. Oh god, I love this stuff so much. This brand is so good too. So today is Thursday. My camera actually died yesterday, so it's right here. This is for 3 whole months, or I mean 3 months, and then I'll just buy stuff if I need anything. This is mine and Coco's stuff. All I need is her dog food, and I'm gonna put it in here. I have to vacuum that. And then I just have like other stuff in here. I have to just pick up all of this and make sure I take her. So I'm currently going to be washing my brushes. They are so dirty right now, so they can dry and then I can pack them up. I have like a really bad headache, but I just put some peppermint essential oils right here and a little bit on my temples, and hopefully that helps. And I took a Tylenol, but I'm not sure why my head is hurting. I don't know. Coco's food just arrived for the trip. Have to, this is the food she eats. So 4 bags to take on the trip. So I think I'm gonna close off the vlog here, and then I'm just gonna edit it so I can post it before I leave. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.